Okay, so after I've got the blade sharpened, now it's time to burnish the blade. I rub the blade with some oil. This is camellia oil on a rag. And I place the blade on dispersive ice, or parrot ice, I think it's what it's called, with the bevel towards me. And I take my blade, and I already know kind of like how the angle works. So right there I'm doing the first passes is kind of like with the bevel, so I'm not really producing a burr there. Then I'll take two more passes, a slightly higher angle. Then I'll probably take two more at a slightly higher one. And I can feel the hook, I can feel the burr there. So that's done. Now for setting up the plane, I place the blade inside the plane with the flat part of the blade. Let's see. Flat part is facing to the front. So I put that in there, tighten it. And I put it on a flat surface. And I'll let go of the screw and let it drop to the flat surface. Tighten that back up. And I'll check out to see, usually one side is a little proud of the other. And I can see that, so I'll correct that by giving it a little tap. And when I feel like it's straight, I barely see it out of the mouth there, I'll tighten this thumb screw, and that'll bow the middle of the blade. Towards towards the surface of the sole. And that's basically it. The blade is at a 5-degree angle with the body. So this is a special clamping table that I made with these, I don't know what you call these, but they're clamps. A special block. I had to put sandpaper on the bottom of the block. I'll clamp that down. Press firmly on it. That's clamped. And now I'm ready to scrape. The shavings are really just quite magnificent on this. It's you know, it's a fine shaving, and there's absolutely no tear out. So, as you can see, the surface is very good. I get my thickness. When I know I'm done with all the marks, I'm pretty sure that, you know, I'm at my thickness, and I can verify that with the calipers. And basically, when you use the plane, it's good to like kind of like use your body weight, press down. If you feel like the cut is too aggressive, you can always go a little back on the thumb screw. That helps. And as per instructions of the plane, you can also make the blade retract with the actual mechanism here of making the angle of the plane either forward or backwards. Now after using it for a little bit, I'll feel like it stopped scraping with the aggressive cut, and I'll make the blade come down a little bit more by making the angle forward again. And I use the thumb screws, and I can do that. I found that I can do that a couple of times, probably like around 6 times before I actually have to go and sharpen the blade again. So that's how I use this tool, and it's given me really great results. Thanks for watching.